Hey, how you doing? We are in Adventure Air in a new machine. I'm Alvaro. And we're Jeremy. We're gonna take you to show you a different model today. This design was created in Poland about 20 years ago and evolved from the Xenon, the legendary Xenon. It's a side-by-side. Right now there are some companies that produce basically the same model, and we're going to show you some features that basically all the models that look like this one they provide. Do you have any questions, Jeremy?
No, not right now.
All right. We've been using the brakes all day, and we need to clean it. There's a lot of dust. All right. So these one have a different system. So the rotor brake is full forward, so we remove the strap, right? And the pre-rotation in this one, door close, very good. The pre-rotation in this one is manual, so we just engage our pre-rotation.
Turn base over the wash runway 26 left, cleared for the option traffic.
And we start giving some pressure in the lever. We have RPM.
Helicopter 3 Papa Delta, option approved.
Roger, option approved, 26 to right, 3 Papa Delta.
Going for the 2000 on the rotor. 200? 200, correct, sorry. 2000 is a lot. That's vertical, would be a lot. That'd be a vertical. All right, 200. And we go full stick back. We start putting some power. We check our RPM, should start rising right now. And the nose will pop up. Just keep it stable. Increasing the speed from the power. 300, and she goes in the air.
26 left, cleared to the option.
Number 2 over the wash, 26 left, clear to the option.
And we need to change that because every time it's more entangled. We can just play a little bit. There you go. Got it. So this machine have different features. Ups and down,
you're number 2 now.
like any other.
Just off your left.
We're gonna wait a little bit meanwhile we go out of the Delta, so we can just talk a little bit more about the machine, okay? So basically the characteristics in this one is a little bit more of the maneuverability for the rotor. So we have more response on the rotor. And because the two rotors make tons of authority, so you can have these super big jaws with the machine, and again the maneuverability is normally is a little bit bigger. Flight characteristics are the same. Right now we are holding on a Gyrotech rotor. It's one of the latest rotors. It's a very, very expensive and high quality rotor. Actually, these one have LED lights. We're testing those to just increase the visibility of the aircraft and help us also for the training to see your big umbrella. Yes, there is a little bit of vibration. We are working in these particular machines, the engine mounting. There is some. We've been fixing some parts that come from the factory to increase the stiffness on the system. So right now we're getting very good results. As you can see, it's a hands-off machine. It flies pretty smooth, a part of the resonance that we have from the engine. This is getting better and better every day, but compared to others and to the new generation of the AutoGyro is still an older Gyrocopter. So a little bit of history about these machines. About more than 10 years ago, they started producing these machines in Poland. There was one factory at the time, then the factory split. They start producing basically the same machines, and then the one factory disappeared. There is one factory of the original one is still working in Poland, and they're great machines. But then 2 more or 3 more appear. They get into the market, and right now they have different names, but in general there's like 2 brands right now from Poland with these particular machines. All right, so this is one of the things that I really like about these models is the response and the authority on the pedals. As you can see, they're incredibly, you can literally turn around the point in a coin, right? You can see, and these new rotors, they are high inertia. They really maintain the altitude and the lift. You have not much thing, and you can see we're just literally turning in a coin with this kind of particular machine. It's powered by the 915 engine with a fixed pitch propeller, 4 blades. Normally for the 915 is better to have a barrel pitch propeller, but you need to be private pilot to operate those.
It's a lot lower than the Cavalon.
Yeah. Yeah, and if you move it around, move it a little bit, feel it. You see, it's super response.
Yeah.
You just go. Yeah. And feel your pedals, and you will feel also the vroom, vroom, vroom. It's
Oh yeah.
right there. So it's a good machine to give you feeling, to give you the finesse.
Yeah.
So practicing takeoff and landings with this machine, it will give you a lot of finesse, because it's rough. It's more manual. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It feels more roughly, more Jeep.
Yeah.
It's more a Jeep. The Cavalon tends to be more sedan, more exclusive.
Yeah.
That's the feeling also. Here you are in an off-road vehicle, like in a Suzuki, kind of. You feel like that.
This will be a full stop for 6 Foxtrot Mike.
6 Foxtrot Mike, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, to the 6 Foxtrot Mike.
Guess we should bring it down a little bit, huh?
Uh-huh. You know, a little bit of left pedal when you cut the engine. There you go. This one feels a lot.
Oh,
It feels a lot the torque.
It's weird.
It's a sensitive machine.
It is.
It gives you a lot of finesse,
On a
man.
3 mile final for the tail end of the Cirrus 1000.
You're doing great. Normally everybody is all over the place,
Really?
but you're doing great. It's clear that you've been flying, and as you see, the idiosyncrasies and they're more or less the same. It's just the input, right?
Yeah.
The force and how you feel, and the rest of the procedures in the cockpit, right? All right. I have the controls.
Your controls.
I have my aircraft. Yeah, for some reason.
I don't feel comfortable in it.
Yeah, no, it takes time, man. Listen, learning to fly, that's what I've been talking about with the group. Learning to fly it takes time. It takes practice. It's a discipline. It's no different than karate. It's no different than any martial art, because you're moving everything. Put this off.
Number 460, you're number 1 now.
All right, we're number 1. Request permission to fly directly to the numbers. All right.
460, base your discretion.
60 Gyrocopter, thank you. If you're watching this video and you're interested in meditation, I'm gonna tell you something. In this moment, it's basically meditation what we're doing here. We are on the zone to get our landing, and a very gentle, and we wait for it, and we wait for it, and we wait for it, and we land very gentle. Thank you, Jeremy, so much. Thank you guys for watching Venture LA, Chino, California. We have a lot of machines for you to fly and choose the best machine for you. Thank you guys for coming on board. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. That was a pretty cool flight. Cool.